Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Capcut and loading the project you'll edit. Make sure your sequence aspect ratio matches the output. Import and place the main clip on the timeline so you can see where gaps should be. Once the clip is selected, tap Effects or Overlay to find the Space tool. This gives you the workspace to expand, compress, or add virtual space. You're not just moving pixels, you're creating room for transitions or text, so proceed with clear intent. Now you'll refine exactly how the space behaves. Drag scale and position to stretch or slide the image. Change duration to make the movement faster or slower, and watch the composition shift. If you need selective changes, add a mask or set keyframes to animate only a region rather than the whole frame. Once done, scrub the timeline and preview at half or normal speed to ensure smooth motion and proper alignment. Finish by locking layers and doing a short test export to verify playback quality. This prevents surprises on full render. If you see edge artifacts or stretching, feather the mask, add a blurred filler background, or scale slightly less to hide seams. Make sure to flatten keyframes or save a copy with baked changes so future tweaks are simpler. If playback lags locally, lower preview resolution while keeping export at full quality to keep editing smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.